Hey, here's one more tip for you. When you're on an island, you need to get an air conditioner. You know, sometimes you have to do things differently. I got an LG, it's actually a window mount install. It fit perfectly in here. The LGs and the Fredericks fit this opening too. I went to Home Depot, my favorite hardware store, and found out that they only do air conditioners seasonally. And so they couldn't get them for me. And I tried to even have them special ordered. Nope, they couldn't do that. So what did I do? I went online. This time I didn't go to Amazon.com. I went somewhere else, and lo and behold, I can get these year round over the internet, and then they ship them directly to me. Sorry, Home Depot, you missed the mark on that one too. But you know what? I still love you. Is it the day to bash Home Depot or Lowe's? Heaven forbid, not in a world of hurt. No, that's not what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get you to open your eyes. If Home Depot doesn't have it, or they're giving you a line about they don't have it in stock, they can't get it, or whatever, do different things. You know, look online and try to find it somewhere else. Hey, next time you need an answer to your hardware question, your how-to project around the house that you didn't know that you could do yourself, send me a line. Maybe I can help you. Well, that's all I got for this time. I'll see you on the next video. It's time to install some door handles.